Do not rinse this out of your hair. I am serious, because the moment I stopped rinsing this rosemary and black tea treatment out, something shocking happened. My hair do not just grow, it started changing fast. And I'm going to show you exactly what I did step by step. Now listen carefully. I know this sounds too simple to be real, but rosemary and black tea is one of the most powerful natural combinations for hair growth, scalp stimulation, and reduced shedding. And what shocked me the most is that the results started showing faster when I did not rinse it out immediately. So in this video, I am going to show you how to prepare it, how to apply it, and the exactly method that changed my hair journey completely. For this treatment, you only need two powerful ingredients. Our first ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary helps to wake up dormant hair follicles, improve blood circulation in the scalp, and support thicker hair growth fast. I'll just make use of 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary. If you have the fresh one, also make use of it. Also, 1 tablespoon of your fresh rosemary leaf. Now, our second ingredient is black tea. Black tea is rich in caffeine and antioxidants that help reduce hair shedding and strengthen weak roots. When those two combine, they create a powerful growth activator spray. Now, I'm using 1 bag of my black tea. If you are using black tea leaf, just use 1 tablespoon of it. But if you are using black tea bag, also use 1 bag of your black tea. There are different types of black tea out there. Use any one that you have available, okay? Here is exactly how I prepare this recipe. First, I bring a very clean pot. Transfer my 2 ingredients inside the pot. Second is to bring water, very clean water, okay? And the water I'm using is not too much. I use 1/2 cup of water because I want it to be very, very concentrated, very, very potent, and very, very effective. So that's why I'm going for 1/2 cup of water. After adding the water, the next thing is to bring it to a boil. Now, while boiling mine, I boil it in a very low heat, only but 10 to 7 minutes. I did not boil it more than 10 to 7 minutes. Very low heat. Emphasize on low heat. After boiling it for 7 to 10 minutes, the water will start changing in color. Then I off my gas immediately and allow it to cool down for about 5 to 6 hours. This part is very, very important to help these two powerful ingredients to release their more nutrient properly by gentle way, so that it will very, very concentrated. As you can see, the water earlier was very, very light. Now is now coloring more dark, meaning that these powerful 2 ingredients have released all their nutrients inside this powerful spray. That's the solution we need. If you can prepare with this method, you will get that good result. So next thing is to bring a strainer and a bowl to collect the powerful spray we have been waiting for. This is the solution spray that will help you to solve your hair problems, grow your hair thicker, stop that shedding, breakage, thicken up your hair with consistent using, okay? So now, after straining it out, this amount of spray we have gotten so far. So the next thing now is to add my essential oils. This essential oils is an optional. If you don't have it, please forget about it, okay? But if you have any essential oil, feel free to drop on it, okay? It also helps to take this spray to the next level, okay? So next thing is to bring my spray bottle for easy application. Use whatsoever you're using to apply your DIY sprays, okay? But make sure they are clean. It's very, very important. So after transfer it into my spray bottle, this is what I have so far. Then our powerful solution spray is ready. This will grow your hair like crazy. Guys, I'm not kidding. If you are struggling with slow growth, breakage, thinning hair, hair fall, hair breakage, this spray will help you to solve that problem, okay? So now the most important thing now is to see how I use this the correct way to grow my hair like never before. Keep on watching. Now, here is the secret that changed everything. I applied this directly on my scalp, focus on the roots and tiny areas. Then I gently massage my scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. But here is the most important part. I do not rinse it out immediately. I left it in my hair so that the scalp could fully absorb the nutrients. And that is when I noticed the difference. Because at first, I thought that leaving it in may be too much. But what happened after a few days shocked me. I will explain that in a moment. After consistent use, I started noticing my hair felt thicker at the roots, less shedding when I comb, and my edges started looking fuller again. It was not magic, it was consistent, and the power of natural ingredients worked together. The reason this work is simple science. Rosemary stimulates circulation in the scalp, while black tea strengthens the hair shaft and reduces breakage caused by weak follicles. So instead of just coating the hair, this works from the roots. But let me be honest with you, the method is not just about spraying it and forgetting it. There are correct ways to use it for best results. I used it 3 to 4 times in a week. I always make sure my scalp was clean before applying it, and I massage it in every single time. That consistency is what gives me visible change. So if your hair feels stuck, slow, or like it's not growing at all, try this rosemary and black tea method consistently, and do not underrate how powerful, simple, natural can be. So guys, if you want more powerful natural hair growth recipe like this, make sure you like this video, subscribe and comment. And once you subscribe, please turn on your bell notification to all so that you will not miss my new upcoming videos. I have a lot of powerful recipe that will help you to grow your hair without breaking the bank and see real results with them, okay? So don't miss it, okay? Make sure you turn on your notification and make sure you share this video to your family and friends. It will be helping a lot of people out there, okay? And also tell me in the comment section below, I am starting my hair growth journey, okay? So that I will know you are serious, and also you have watched this video to the end. So for the storage, store this in your refrigerator only about 5 days. Anywhere that remaining after 5 days, please discard it and make a fresh batch, because after 5 days this recipe have losing in potency, okay? So make sure you use it fresh from day 1 to day 5. I believe that you must finish your first batch, then make a fresh batch. Just try to be consistent and you will never regret it, okay? So guys, I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.